Here's a pair of Skullycandy Hesh ANC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So the headphones are currently off. I'm going to go ahead and turn these on and put them on into pairing mode first. Okay, so the power button is right here. Okay, this button here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn them on. I'm going to press and hold for a few seconds. Power on. And it says pairing. And I know it's in pairing mode because it's blinking this blue and red kind of rapidly. Okay, so from here it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go to our iPhone here. We're going to go to settings, and then from settings you want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then just look down here. It's searching for devices that are in pairing mode, and our Hesh ANC is right there. So let's tap on that right there. Pairing successful, and now it's connected. Okay, now really quickly, if you can't get yours to connect, so I'm connected now. Let me go ahead and turn my headphones off first. Press and hold for a few seconds. Power off. Okay, now if I turn it back on, power on, and it doesn't blink rapidly red and blue, and it just said connected. Okay, so I'm connected to a different device. So I'm connected to this device here. So let's say you wanted to connect to a different device. It's not in pairing mode. So what you can do is you can factory reset it like this. The power button and the volume down here. We're going to press and hold for a few seconds until it starts blinking pink here. Okay, volume down, power. Ready, set, go. And now it says disconnected, and now it should go back into pairing mode. Okay, so if you want to connect to the same device, the same iPhone again, my Hesh ANC is here. If I tap that, it's going to say I have to forget it. Okay, so what you want to do is forget the device, or click on that little eye right there and click on forget device. Okay, so now it's still in pairing mode, and it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode. Oops, it's not in pairing mode anymore. Let me go ahead and turn these off again. Power off. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn it back on. Power on. It says pairing, and we're back in pairing mode. Blue is blinking blue and red again. So now we'll go back down here. Okay, there it is, Hesh ANC, and now we can go ahead and reconnect back to our iPhone. Okay, there you guys go. Questions or issues, comment below.